Our world is full of beauty, but beneath the surface lie a reality that defies human explanation. From the darkest unexplored depth of our ocean to the most haunting, mysterious hidden in plain sight, Earth's holds secret that science is still trying to unlock. In today's documentary, we are diving deep into one of the most unbelievable places on our planet, a journey that will challenge everything you think you know. So sit back, clear your mind, and let's uncover the truth together.
The Danakil Depression sits over 300 feet below sea level, surrounded by a cracked, stark expanse of scorched brown earth. It is one of the most desolate and hottest environments found anywhere on our planet. Out of this barren crust, a violent eruption of color takes over. A massive basin opens up, filled with glowing neon green pools and steaming yellow salt towers that bleed into deep rust-red hues. These vibrant reservoirs contain no fresh water. Instead, the ground releases a mixture of boiling acid, superheated saltwater, and poisonous volcanic gases. From above, the turquoise pools are framed by thick, neon yellow mineral crusts. This volatile ecosystem feels entirely alien to our world, more closely resembling the landscape of a distant moon. This breathtaking landscape masks an active, chaotic hydrothermal engine. The very features that make Dallol beautiful are the specific elements that make it lethal. The Danakil Depression sits over a junction where three tectonic plates violently pull apart. This thins the crust, allowing a shallow reservoir of molten magma to radiate intense heat. Rainwater and ocean runoff filter down into this heated zone, dissolving massive beds of ancient subterranean salt. The resulting brine boils under extreme pressure. This boiling fluid absorbs heavy concentrations of sulfur, iron, and potassium. As volcanic pressure builds, it forces this toxic chemical cocktail rapidly back toward the surface. When the pressurized brine hits the open air, it crystallizes instantly. The result is a shifting labyrinth of white and yellow salt chimneys and jagged mineral pillars that grow around the active vents. The synthetic, vibrant appearance of Dallol is the direct output of this subterranean pressure cooker expelling its heavy metals. The basin functions as a dynamic canvas of hyper-saturated mineral terraces. Miniature hot springs deposit fresh layers of minerals daily, creating tiered structures that resemble repetitive mushroom caps. These colors are a product of specific chemical deposits. Pure sulfur creates the brilliant yellow layers, while rust-red iron oxides stain the deeper crystalline formations. The liquid filling these terraces is highly corrosive. With a pH level below 0, this acid matrix dissolves almost any material it contacts. The blistering desert sun acts as a catalyst, causing this super-saturated brine to evaporate at record speed. Rapid evaporation leaves behind fragile formations, salt eggshells, glowing neon cones, and intricate white crystalline borders that grow around the vibrant green pools. This delicate, beautiful geometry is sculpted entirely by the movement of a destructive, corrosive liquid. The danger shifts into the air as toxic gases rise from the vents, creating shifting atmospheric displays above the pools. The deep, enclosed nature of the depression acts as a geographic trap. It prevents heavy volcanic emissions from escaping into the upper atmosphere. Lethal concentrations of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and chlorine gas remain pinned to the ground. These gases create intense visual distortion. Thick, volumetric heat waves and a faint shimmering haze warp the horizon as steam rises from the mineral chimneys. When midday sun hits these gas layers, fragmented light beams bounce off the salt flats in neon pools, creating a cinematic, glowing effect. This shimmering, sci-fi glow is a concentrated mass of lethal volcanic exhaust, forming a suffocating trap at ground level. Dallol is defined by a sense of profound cosmic isolation. It is a place where biological life cannot exist. Researchers testing these acidic brine pools found a complete absence of microscopic DNA. Even the most resilient organisms found in other extreme environments are missing from this silent, dark water. Walking through this colorful wilderness feels like standing on a primordial planet in the moments before the first spark of life occurred. The only sounds are the acoustics of the Earth itself, the hiss of venting gas, the crackle of forming salt crystals, and the bubbling of subterranean cauldrons. Dallol proves that the most toxic and violent forces on our planet can still produce masterworks of breathtaking art. What captivates you more about this empire? Is it the tectonic engine grinding beneath the surface, or the deadly, beautiful acid pools on the top? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Earth's most beautiful hidden geography, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. our planet still hides majestic, untouched kingdoms, realms of otherworldly power that remain entirely indifferent to the presence of life.